What's up, you guys? This is my new project right here. This is a 1991 Toyota MR2. Now come check this thing out. Now, cosmetically, this car does not look too bad. It just needs some love. It needs some new paint, and this carbon fiber hood definitely needs to be re-cleared. Also, these wipers, I don't even know where you could get these anymore. I have seen a conversion kit to make these a J-hook, so that way we could get some modern wipers on. This is coming off. There's a dent here, and here, and here, and there, and there. So a little bit of body work should do the trick, should get this thing all nice and clean. Now, mechanically speaking, the brakes are very unsafe. The reservoir, I took the cap off earlier, is basically empty. Driving down the road, the steering wheel is off-centered, so it definitely needs some suspension work and alignment. This shifter right here, this shifter is very weird. I believe this is an aftermarket shifter. I don't think the factory shifters came like this. And when I shift it to first, you see it touches the cable, and that is not good. I do not like that. Other than that, it is not the smoothest shifter, so it definitely needs some work. There are also no catalytic converters on this car. And me, of course, living in California, that is not gonna fly. And that's pretty much it as far as the serious mechanical issues that this car has. I'm sure I'll discover something as I go through the build, but here's the best part. It runs, and it runs very good. It also drives too. As you guys can hear, this motor is very smooth. The exhaust on this thing is pretty nice. It sounds really good for a 4-cylinder. Now, as far as the interior goes, the radio is missing, and that sucks. I do want to get new brackets and put a new radio in this thing, but not yet. I need to get this car in working safe order first before I start doing all the nice stuff. It's also missing some trim pieces. Like here, there's supposed to be a cover, and here there's supposed to be a cover with a boot for the shifter. Carpet is pretty dirty, has seen better days. The tweeter is falling out of its spot on the passenger side, and there's a bunch of wires everywhere. I guess they had a sound system in here before. I took some of it out just to get it out of the way. I'm not going to be using any of these wires. I do plan on putting a sound system in this thing, and I'll be using new stuff instead of this old stuff. All these wires are sticky and messy, and I don't really want to mess with that. So overall, as a whole, this car is not bad at all. And considering that it's a 1991 Toyota, it held together for quite a long time. So that's going to wrap it up for this video. It's just a quick video. I just wanted to show you guys my new project. And if you guys want to see the transformation of this car, feel free to subscribe because I'll be posting a lot more videos on this thing. And I'll see you guys in the next one.